Here's our one chicken that's right there. Here's our one hen. Here's our rooster right there. And there's our hen inside. Here's our other hen with all her babies. This is just playing out grass. We're making that a hen. And there's our one. There's our three hens. There's some babies over there. There's our hen and her rooster. There's our other rooster. And there's our other rooster. And there's our other rooster. There's our other rooster. And there's our other rooster. Wait, and there's another rooster. And there's another rooster. And there's another rooster. Another rooster. A hen. Rooster. 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 Rooster and hen. Rooster. Rooster. Hen. Rooster. Nothing. Rooster and hen and her babies. Rooster. 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 And rooster. Now one hen with the babies. And rooster. 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 And rooster. Patches, come here. Come on, Patches. And there's our pit bull. Patches. Patches, come here. Yeah, bring him over here, Hunter. Here's our pit bull. Oh, that. And here's our pit bull right here. And then we have and there's our hen, rooster, and our hens all the way over there in that one. And here's our beagle. And her name's Susie. Here's our other beagle. And it's a boy, but they're far apart. And his name's Blaze. But they're both fixed. And his name's Blaze. So that's all our chickens. And I forgot these ones, but